Welcome! In this video, we will guide you through the updated steps to open your browsing history on Google Chrome for PC. Whether you want to revisit a site you previously explored or just check your recent activity, accessing your history is straightforward. Let's dive into it. First, open the Chrome browser on your PC. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll see the familiar interface. Next, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll find 3 vertical dots arranged in a column. This is the menu button. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu that provides various options for customizing your browsing experience. From this menu, navigate down and select History. You can also quickly access your history by pressing Ctrl+H on your keyboard, which opens the history page directly. This is a handy shortcut if you prefer using keyboard commands. Once you click on History, a new page will open displaying all the websites you've visited recently. You can scroll through this list to find specific sites or use the search bar at the top to filter results by keywords or dates. This feature is particularly useful if you're trying to locate a page you visited some time ago but can't quite remember. If you want to manage your history further, you'll find options to delete specific entries or even clear all browsing data if needed. Just be cautious with these options, as deleting history cannot be undone. That's it. You've successfully accessed and navigated through your browsing history in Google Chrome. Remember, keeping track of your online activities can help you retrace your steps and find valuable information that might otherwise be lost. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!